Hello and welcome from the National Weather Service Detroit Pontiac office located in White Lake, Michigan. In this how-to video, we will be explaining how to find winter weather information. When you think of winter weather, many questions usually come to mind, such as is it going to snow? How much snow is expected? When will the snow start? When will it end? What areas could see the most? The impacts? Where can snowfall reports be made? And where can snowfall totals be found? First off, you'll want to go to our homepage, which is found at weather.gov/Detroit. There are two quick ways to get a forecast for your particular area. The first is by entering your city, state, or your zip code. The second is by clicking on your location on the point-and-click map. For winter weather information, one area is the tabs across the top. Another place to find what products are in effect is just to the right of the map. Now for a general overview of the weather, you can click on our weather story. If we have a headline going, that will be up at the top under our top news of the day. For more specific winter weather, you can click on local hazards. From there, that will bring you to the hazardous weather information page. And you can see we have the radar, and then right below the radar, we have what we call the hazardous weather outlook, the HWO. Also on this page, you will be able to find the snowfall images. And we'll start by clicking on that. That will bring you to the snowfall forecast image page. You can see we have the 6 to 12 hour snowfall, and we also have storm total snowfall. So if you were to click on the storm total snowfall, that brings up this image. Now if we go back to our hazardous weather information page and we click on probabilistic snowfall, that will bring us here. As you can see on the top, we have duration, minimum, maximum amount, and the start and end date. Choose what you want. Below that, you can see we have the Snow County time series, which we will be coming back to. Next, we have the snowfall images. And what this is expressing is the range and is based off what we have in our grids, with the median row being the actual forecast. The minimum maximum rows are the lowest highest that we could possibly achieve with the going forecast. For example, if we were to choose Thursday on the median forecast row, that will bring up this image. One of the questions that you may have is what are the chances that you will get 1 inch of snowfall on Thursday? And that's what the graphics below the snowfall give you. So if we were to click on Thursday, the 1 inch, that will bring up this image. Next, if we go back towards the top and we click on County Time Series, this will bring up a graph. This is bringing you the same information that we saw on the previous page, only in the graph form. And again, you can pick the duration, and this time you can actually pick county. For more detail on this graphic, you can click on explanation. Now during the event, we will get in reports of the snow, and we issue what we call an LSR, which is our local storm reports, and those will be displayed right up on top, just to the right of the top news of the day. Now at the end of the event, we will put together a snowfall graphic, and that can be found right below the maps. This page shows you the snowfall total image, and below that is some of the reports that we have gotten into the office. Now a few days after event, that link will not be available, but you can still access that information by going to our top news archives and going to the date of the snowfall and then clicking on that. Now for a bigger event, we actually do a weather summary up on it. For example, we did one for the January 4th, 5th event, and if you click on that, that brings you to this page. It looks like that. We usually have radar and of course snowfall totals and photos if they're available. Thank you for listening to our how-to video on finding winter weather information, and hopefully this answered some of the questions that you may have had.